Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a part of the What Would You Make challenge hosted by OK at Home DIY and MARSHA's MUSH and Stuff. And this week's co-host is CJ DIY. I will leave the links to the playlist and their channels below, so be sure that you visit all of their channels and the playlist when you're finished watching this video. So in today's video, I have a dog bed for you guys using these scrap wood pieces. All of the information on the dimensions is going to be in the description. I made this dog bed out of some scrap wood for a friend of mine from work, and so she has a cute little Yorkie dog. And she was talking about going to the thrift store and trying to like DIY a bed or whatever for him. And I was like, oh, you know what? I have all this scrap wood at home and I need to find a use for it. So I offered to make her a dog bed with some scrap wood that I already had. So that's what I'm doing in this video. And I am very happy with the turnout, so I wanted to share this here. I did add some of the beadboard wallpaper that I had left over from my front door makeover. I will link that in the cards. And I still have quite a bit of this wallpaper left over. I'm going to be doing a project in my living room hopefully soon, and I'll be using it for that as well. I did paint it like a green color to kind of go with my decor first, just so that I can stage it and style it for this video, but I did end up repainting it a dark gray to match my friend's decor a little bit better. And then I also will show you in a minute how I made adjustable legs that you can use either for this dog bed or for other projects as well. Okay, so starting with the piece of wood that you're going to use for your legs, you want to use an auger bit that's going to be big enough for you to fit the entire screw through, and you want to drill halfway through the block with your auger bit. And then you want to take a regular drill bit and drill all the way through into the base of whatever it is that you're building. And then you want to take that screwdriver and screw it in. It should go all the way through at this point into your block and come out the other side, and that will allow you to more easily screw on the leg once you have the screw inside. And you'll see me doing that here, and then that way you can adjust it to be level however you want for your project. And this is basically what it looks like with the legs on and painted the gray color to match my friend's decor. Please check out the playlist, and I hope you consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.